You ready? Brush your teeth. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. And what? Oh, good job. Yeah. Buenos dias. Today, we gonna keep it simple, right, Munchkin? I have the star of the show. You wanna say hi? He doesn't wanna talk to y'all. It's time for breakfast, and one of Carter's favorite breakfasts that I love making for him is papa, which is I can't even speak it so early, I need to eat. He does a countdown and he runs around the house. It's all good. He has energy. We're gonna go to the park later. Right now I'm about to make him breakfast. I'm making mashed potatoes with eggs. For those who don't know, that's a very Dominican breakfast. Some carbs, some eggs, some butter, mayonnaise. Let's get started. Where's yellow? Yayo. Green. Good job, yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What happened? Here it is. It looks like a potato salad, but it's just a little, right, Munchkin? It's just a little bit of papa con huevo. And this is what he likes. If you're Dominican, you know what this is. This is literally just papa con huevo, but Americans will make it American and make it for like mashed potatoes and eggs. No, puré de papa con huevo, that's different. Wow. I'm just gonna have your scraps.
What song are you singing?
We gotta close these windows because I'm about to shower. Hello. Okay, so we just got dressed. I got Carter dressed and we're about to head to the park. I quickly want to shout out Garnier for partnering up with me for today's video. We are about to refresh these curls. As you can see, the hair, I literally just washed my hair and it's already dry, okay? But I got some products here. That are gonna help me refresh these curls in no time. So vamos a comenzar. I'm gonna take this curl air dry cream. It's a defining butter. So this is a leave-in treatment that's really gonna help moisturize your hair, and especially for me, since my hair gets dry so quick, I need, oh my gosh, this smells amazing, by the way. All of Garnier Fructis products just are so fragrant. The fragrance on these products are absolutely incredible. First of all, my hair feels immediately super soft. I'm really just working that all in. because it's a really good leave-in moisturizer. First of all, my hair feels so soft. It was so dry just now, and that really just helped bring my hair to life. My hair gets super dry so quickly. I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Fructis Curl Refresher, and this is a reviving water just to bring this hair back to life, because my hair gets dry so quick. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It has a plant protein and coconut oil. This is perfect for me too, because when I get out the shower, if I don't put product immediately, it dries up. So using this product has been amazing. This product is going to be extremely convenient. And then lastly, to bring these curls, I need a good gel. A gel is what's really gonna be a game changer for me. This is the Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel. This right here is so good. It's just gonna help define your curls more without it feeling like super crunchy, cause I can't. Okay, I really use a lot because even though we have short hair, my hair is thick, okay? Do you see how the curls are coming in? Okay, looks so good. Excuse me, look at the curls, okay? Garnier Fructis really had me covered because when we first started this video, you see it was looking dry, not hydrated at all. Now, look at the curls. Okay, thank you. Thank you. It just came back to life thanks to these products right here. So I will be having these babies in rotation. Now that my hair is good to go, we are heading to the park because this mama got a lot of things to do, okay? We gotta take Carter to the park, we gotta get lunch. Then we gotta be back in time for his nap so then my day can actually start to wind down. Let's go. You are a mommy. This car seat from the Orbit, just get into my curls. Okay, so we are heading to the park right now. I actually think we're probably gonna get some lunch first because I am starving. I also have to go ahead. Ah, ¿qué pasó? We just made it to the park. Carter, you ready for the park? He's ready for the park. Let's go. Today, where's the sun? I think today is gonna be the warmest it's been in a while. It's like 82 degrees today in California. Yes, my love. Thank you. All right, let's go up. Listen, I am a boy mom, so I literally have to take this little boy to the park. I'm also curious to see if I should take him to like gymnastics or like a little baseball league or something activity, because he doesn't get tired. Because I try really hard to like, one, keep the TV and all electronics to a minimum, but I take him to the park, I take him to the pool, we run. You know, like I try to be a big kid with him as much as possible, but it's really interesting how él no se cansa. Like Carter does not get tired. I'm hoping that with the sun coming out a little bit more and we take him to the pool. I'm also thinking about learning how to swim because neither John and I, oh look at how cute they look. John and I don't know how to swim, so I'm definitely curious. Maybe we should all learn how to do that together.
Wait, Carter. Look, mama's on
Ouch! Ow! I did that. That like landed bad. Munchkin, where you at? Okay. Wait! You're moving too fast. I'm gonna get dizzy. Carter. Oh my God! Help! Who made this? What is this? A mushroom? Oh my goodness! Oh God! Please stop! This is not good. Wee. Whoa. Bring it down. 3. Go get it from that Dad. Be careful. Ah.
No more.
Come on, my love.
Want to see Titi?
Let's go get some lunch.
Titi.
Yeah, no, this park is good. It's crazy because when you take a kid to the park, you want to find parks that, one, are within his age group, but this park in particular, everything is right there, so it's also family friendly. Like, I feel like these parks are sometimes made just for the children, We just supposed to stand around the whole time? Like the other parks, they'll have hills. You gotta climb, and it also doesn't seclude like the really dangerous part of the park, and which is like for the older kids. And you know, all the little kids want to go to the other side. No, this one is perfect for his age. We will be back. It is so hot. Hold on. Ay, Dios mío. So we're gonna go Santa Rita? What are we thinking? Do you have an idea? Woodland Hills, Tender Greens. I love a Tender Greens.
Hopefully I don't fall asleep, but I can do Tender Greens.
Alright, Tender Greens it is. The fact that my hair is not crunchy at all. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, can you imagine when rock falls off?
It looks like that movie where rock turns into like a monster.
Mm-hmm. We're about to go to Tender Greens. Can't go wrong with Tender Greens. It's healthy, I think. But at least it feels that way. It feels it's consistent. They have the best. If you are in LA, y'all can challenge me in this. Tender Greens has the best olive oil cake in Los Angeles. I said it. Okay, if you disagree, then comment below and let me know which one you think is better, because I've tried many olive oil cakes. De la agua? And nothing compares. I want to have this dessert before food gets here.
I'll do it.
Hibiscus tea is so good.
I'm about another one. That's yours.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna get another one. Because I want to trust you.
We're not supposed to eat all of this. This is so good.
This looks kind of good.
That look kind of slamming, Munchkin. Let me see. We have to try it first to make sure it's okay.
Add a little salt to it. But we got some salt right there.
All right, this is what I
You want to sit at
got.
this table? Because this table is messed up.
It's okay. You okay? I think mission is accomplished. He is definitely getting tired. Bye-bye. No? If you happy. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
You see that? You see that? Yes. Hold on. Carter just fell asleep. Oh, mission accomplished. Okay, now that is what you call a successful Sunday. Okay? And I like to think we ate that. We ate that. Thank you. Well, I hope you enjoyed our nice little Sunday vlog. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.